Hello and welcome back to Fun with Canva. Today we're going to create a design where it's a little bit unique. So let's get stuck into it. We go to create design and let's choose Instagram post portrait. When that loads up, I'm going to go over to elements. And I've chosen a couple of elements which I'm going to use for this. So you can see here there is a drop shadow, line drop shadow, a square, young woman with red umbrella. I may use the white circle, the glowing yellow dot light, the holly lights, yellow fireflies, and happy smiling enjoy emoticon face cartoon icon. So let's get stuck into it. So what we're going to do is click on the square. We're going to enlarge this element. We're going to change it to black. We'll go back to elements. We will bring in that circle. We'll enlarge the circle. Alright. We'll center the circle and we'll center the shape. So what we want to do is just make sure that we've got a bit of a gap between the outside. So I'll bring that in a little bit, highlight both of them, enlarge it, and bring them to the center. So what we want to do now is change that circle shape to white. And once we've done that, we'll go to share, we'll go to download, we'll go download, and just download it into the folder I've got. For the purposes of this video, we'll just duplicate a page. We'll go to uploads, upload files, we'll go to my folder, go open. That will upload and we'll click on that and bring it in. Now we'll go to edit image and remove background. So what we're going to get after we've removed the background is a transparent space here, because the background being white of this image will remove that space and allow us to put an image behind it. So we'll go to image, edit image, go background remover, we'll go apply and just enlarge this up. Okay, so that gives us our circle space to work in. So what we can do now is go back to elements and we'll go to this line drop shadow. We'll click on the line drop shadow and we'll just bring that down to the center. And what we want to do is basically rotate that around to get a line drop around the circle. So we'll duplicate that. Again, we'll just bring that up to the center, move it around to 90, bring it back into the center, move it up past the square, duplicate that again, bring it into the center, and we'll rotate that to the 45 mark. Okay, we'll bring that down, keeping roughly about the same on either side of the circle. We'll duplicate that again, and depending on how many paper cut sort of line drops you want in your image, you can continue that around the circle. So we'll line that up in the center, roughly the same on either side. Bring it back into the center there. Rotate it around about halfway. Bring it back into the center. Duplicate it. And rotate it again. Roughly about halfway. Just bring that back a bit. And duplicate it again, rotate it around, roughly in the center, duplicate it again, rotate it around, we don't have to be perfect, but Symmetry is pretty good if it makes a difference to the photo. And we'll duplicate it one more time. Rotate it around. And line it up there. Okay, so that's roughly our circle done. There's a few differences there, but again, every design can be different, doesn't have to be the same. So we'll grab this square, bring it in, and if you can remember, I said we'll leave a bit of a gap at the top. That's just for us to bring this other element in. We'll change that to black. We'll duplicate that. Bring that down just with enough space for us to overlap the square. We'll duplicate that again. Minimize it. Bring it up. And duplicate that again. And bring it over here. So now that we've got all our area covered in black with the white circle, we can come over here. Oh, before we download, what we'll do is we will change the background to our green color. And as you can see there, it gives a good effect. So now that we've done that, we'll download it. Click on here, go to page 2. Done. Download. That will open our file up. So we'll call it circle. Save. For the purposes of this video, we will create another page. Go to uploads, upload file. Go to circle. Go open. We'll change the page color to any color that you desire. I'll keep it white for now. Bring that in. Go to edit image, background remover. And there we have our circle. So we'll just enlarge that. And go apply. Okay, so there you have the design I was primarily after. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Apart from that, have a great day. See you on the next one.